Do you want to know how you can change the voice speed in Google Translate? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the voice speed in Google Translate. Go ahead and open Google on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on this icon over here and then click on Translate. You can see that Google Translate has now opened. Now to change your voice speed, click on this settings and you can see the voice speed over here. There are three options: normal, slow and slower. You can go ahead and try them and you can click test to test it.
This is what the slow speed sounds like. This is what the slow speed
And then
sounds
you can choose
like.
it according to your wish. After choosing it, it will automatically be saved, and after you translate something over here, you can listen to it and the voice speed will increase or decrease after you press it over here and you change it. So this is how you change your voice speed in Google Translate. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.